Hi guys, hope you all doing good. I'm making a small video to show you that how to enable a screen recording button. I could not find after my iOS device was updated to 13.3.1. So here is a very simple step to get it back. Go to a setting first and search for the control center. Control center. Click to control center. Now you can see over here access with apps is enabled and the customize control. Click there and search for the screen recording over here down, and there you go, screen recording is here, and click the plus icon. Now you can easily access to your control panel. To enable it, just click it once and it started the recording. And if you wanna stop it, just go there and click once and it stops and recording saved to photos. If you want to enable the microphone, just go to a 3D touch. You can access with your different social medias, and you can enable or off the microphone. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.